picture into a channel, a profile pic for a channel. Part blue. Okay, the blue guys. We need to find okay, this guy right here. So then we do this. Then we go over to your gallery. Then you do this. Then you exit this. Then send it to the world's best editing thing. Sorry, Ensha, it's not you right now. It's CapCut. The file does not support. Well, that's good because you send this guy over to InShot. Then I'll just do it here. Now, this is how you make a YouTube channel. Now that the only thing you got okay, that's better. Now you should only have a blue falling monkey.
Hey neighbors, Tractor Supply is excited.
Well, happy grand opening for that area. But then we go back to Google. Then we look up clouds. Clouds, Gorilla Tag. Gorilla. Clouds Gorilla Tag. Then you look for images, then you have to find the right image. Nah, bro, what is day 1, launch day? Hey, it's me. Now, okay. I don't know what you should do. I know you should just then we grab him, we put him in InShot or whatever editing software you have. You go to your pip, grab your monkey, and then beautiful. That's your new profile pic.